Okay, this is number 8 on 12.1, and we're trying to figure out whether, at least in this first part, whether attendance is affected by kind of where you sit in the class. So, um, and usually to run a goodness of fit test, you need like an observed column and an expected column. And we're not given that here. Although this first part really has us figuring out what the observed data is. These are the number of people that showed up in each positional group. So this is what, 308 in the first group. Second group was 308. Whoop, lower down. 308, 300, and 300. So in group 4, 300 people to continue to attend, right, through the semester. Now we want to get our expected column. And if position has no effect on attendance, then the overall average for the attendance average for the class should just be what you would expect to get in each position. Remember, because that's in our assumption, right? Our null assumption, we have the average attendance in each group is the same as the average attendance for the class. So we're just really multiplying 0.76 times 400 here. So I can just do that. Data, compute, expression, build. I'm just going to do 0.76 times 400. Compute. Okay, so that gives me 304. Kind of gave it to me in the wrong place, but so we expect 304 people, and you can just do this in your calculator too. You didn't need to do that with StatCrunch. We just expect 304 people to attend through the semester from each group. Okay. Once we have these two columns, I'm just going to delete this one. Once we have these two columns, observed and expected, we can run the goodness of fit test in StatCrunch and get the p-value, which was really the student's question. They just wanted to know how to get the p-value. On the easier questions, they just give you observed and expected, right? But on this one, yeah, kind of have to do a little work to generate it. Goodness of fit test, chi-square. Observed is in observed, and expected is in expected. Okay, we just hit compute, and we've got our p-value of, we went around to 3 decimal places, 97.6. Okay, check the answer, and that is that. And that also means, of course, at 5% significance, almost at any significance, right? This p-value is so high, it's hard to imagine any significance. You'd have to have like 100% significance. We're not gonna reject the null hypothesis, of course. So, but the question really just regarded how to get the p-value, and the answer really is just getting your observed and expected columns going so that you can do the goodness of fit test. So I hope that helped.